lives and something new. And we ride through highs and lows, never knowing where it goes. But every stop along the line becomes a piece of who we are inside. The train of life keeps rolling on through happy nights and sad goodbyes. Every station holds a memory hidden underneath the city lights. Some stops bring love and melodies, some bring lonely symphonies. But every moment passing by teaches us how to survive. One station filled with dancing lights, another filled with silent nights. Somewhere we laughed until sunrise, somewhere we cried with tired eyes. And every stranger that we meet leaves little echoes in our heartbeat, like photographs we cannot hold before the memories grow old. Maybe life was never meant to always make complete sense. Maybe joy and pain exist like songs inside the same playlist. The train of life keeps moving fast, carry shadows from the past. Every station, every light turns into a part of life. And though some roads break us apart, they still leave music in the heart. Because the journey never dies, it keeps dancing through our lives. At a station, life. By Mr. King.